Everyone. I'm here today just to share with you some tips for how to make sure you're receiving notifications and you're seeing in your news feed all of the updates that we share through our Facebook page so you know what's happening with us at the Gap. So the first step to make sure you're getting all of that information from us is just go to our Facebook page. Once you get here, you're going to go to the upper right-hand corner and find those three little dots. When you see those, go ahead and click on them, and then you're going to select the Follow Settings option. Under Follow Settings, you have all of the preferences here about how you'd like to see updates from our page. So we recommend that for your news feed, you select See First. That will highlight our posts and bring them to the top of your news feed so they don't get lost in all of the other things coming up on your news feed each day. Under Notifications, you can select the Standard option, which will make sure that you get a notification every time we have an update on our page. Now, just to kind of reassure you, we rarely ever put more than one thing up in a day, so this shouldn't be overwhelming if you're getting those notifications. It should only be at most once a day, but probably more like a couple or a few times a week. So that way, if you select the standard, you can make sure to see those posts when they are submitted so you can stay up to date with what's happening with us at the Gap. Now, when you're ready and you have those preferences set as you like them, you'll just click on Update, and you should be good to go to make sure that you're staying up to date with all of our stories, all of our happenings here at the Gap. Thanks so much. Hope everyone's well.